Circling trees, kissing the breeze, maneuvers made with such and ease. Dive down low, rise up high, tiny drone conquer the sky.
In the world of drones, size and agility often go hand in hand, and the 2-inch FPV drone is a testament to this. Designed for nimbleness, this compact quadcopter offers pilots a unique blend of speed and maneuverability, making it a popular choice for indoor flights and tight spaces. $4S650-60C/120C LiHv. This type is high-voltage LiPo battery. The benefits of these batteries are lower IR, super punch, lighter weight, AA grade cells, well matched and balanced, longer discharge and cycle life. An AEOLUS, or all-in-one flight controller, integrates multiple drone components, like the flight controller, ESCs, and power distribution, into a single board. This design simplifies drone builds by reducing separate parts, offering a cleaner setup and potentially lighter weight. A COB Light Strip module for drones is a compact lighting solution that uses chip-on-board (COB) technology to provide intense and uniform illumination. 2-inch props for drones refer to propellers with a diameter of approximately 2 inches, ideal for compact and micro-sized quadcopters. Their smaller size offers agility and quick response, making them suitable for indoor flights and tight maneuvers. The LiHv Cherry 2 antenna is a high-performance antenna designed to optimize video signal quality and range for drones. Boasting a durable and compact design, it ensures stable video feeds, even in challenging flying environments. The LiHv Tank Ultimate Mini is a compact video transmitter or shortened VTX designed for drones, known for its robust performance and adjustable power output. Its advanced electronics and heat dissipation capabilities ensure consistent video transmission even during aggressive flights. Runcam Phoenix 2 analog camera. The OddityRC XI20 Pro Frame Kit is a precision-engineered drone frame designed to provide a stable foundation for building high-performance quadcopters. With its durable materials and thoughtful design, it ensures optimal weight distribution and aerodynamics for enhanced flight experiences. Two-inch drones offer unmatched agility and are perfect for tight spaces or indoor flights. Their compact size makes them highly portable, allowing enthusiasts to easily carry them on the go. Additionally, these smaller drones often present a lower risk to property and people, making them a safer choice for beginners in densely populated areas. Thank you for tuning in and spending your time with us. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.